The United Nations Human Rights Council or UNHRC voted on Thursday to set up an investigation into thousands of killings in President Rodrigo Duterte's war on drugs campaign, a step that activists said was long overdue. During the 41st United Nations Human Rights Council session against the anti-drug war of President Duterte, a resolution led by Iceland was adopted at a forum in Geneva by a vote of 18 countries in favor and 14 against, including China, with 15 abstentions, including Japan.
This council session, the High Commissioner Bachelet noted the extraordinarily high number of reported deaths and persistent reports of extrajudicial killings in the context of the campaign against drug use. We have put forward balanced text with a very modest ask, simply requesting the High Commissioner to prepare a report for discussion by June next year.
The Philippine delegation, however, lobbied against the resolution. Philippine Ambassador Evan Garcia took the floor after the vote to read a statement by the Manila Foreign Ministry.
The temptation is strong to walk away from all this with well-deserved contempt for the minority of countries that have the least moral standing to raise their false issues to the discredit of the Human Rights Council. But the Philippines must remain true to the cause of human rights.
Malacañang, for its part, objects, condemns, and questions Iceland's resolution. Presidential spokesperson Salvador Panelo argues the resolution did not get a simple majority and only 18 countries out of 47 member countries voted for the resolution. It means majority of the members are not really convinced of the resolution calling for the investigation of the alleged extrajudicial killings in the Philippines. For Malacañang, the other 17 countries which supported the resolution are misled by Iceland, which has also been led astray by false news of biased media inside and outside the country. The resolution also shows how the Western powers scorn the sovereign exercise of the government to protect the people from the scourge of illegal drugs. Secretary Panelo also says the resolution is meant to embarrass the Philippines before the international community, but the country will not be weakened by this and that the campaign against illegal drugs will continue. When President Duterte was asked if he will let the UNHRC to come to the Philippines and investigate, the president said they must explain their purpose first and he will review it.
Let them state their purpose and I will review. Lang sila sa intriga. We better go to the media and the media to tell them the truth. So, ipanabas ninyo yung footages ninyo lahat. Hear everybody.
The Duterte administration says that around 6,600 people have been killed by police in shootouts with suspected drug dealers since the president was elected in 2016 on a platform of crushing crime. But activists say the death toll is at least 27,000. Rosa Licoz, UNTV News and Rescue, Camp Aguinaldo.